In this video, I am going to show you how to do the speed ramp on a clip in Davinci Resolve 18. Here I am going to import a video clip on my timeline. Here you can see that I have placed a clip on my timeline. To do the speed ramp, what you need to do is, you need to select that clip and right click on that clip and click on retime controls. Or you can select that particular clip and press Ctrl plus R keys on the keyboard. Retime controls will be selected on that particular clip. To do the speed ramp, what you need to do is place the playhead from where you want to add the fast forward effect and select this drop down box near 100% and select add speed point. After that, place the playhead where you want to add the second speed point. Click on this drop down box and click on add speed point. Now you have added two speed points. Here you can see that now we have 300%. To do the speed ramp for this particular portion, what you need to do is you need to click on this downward arrow and select change speed and select the speed. I am going to select 400%. Now here you can see that I have selected 400%. Now let's play it. Here you can see the difference. To have a smooth playback, what you need to do is you need to right click on that clip and click on retime curve. Now you will be shown retime frame. You need to click on retime frame and you need to uncheck this retime frame option. Select retime speed. To have the smooth transition, what we can do is, now here you can see the speed points. Here you can see that the clip plays at 100% and suddenly the speed increases to 400%. To have a smooth effect, what you need to do is, you need to select the speed point. The slanting line will be selected by default. You need to select the curved line like this, and similarly you need to select the other speed point and select the curved option. If you want, you can change this curve. Here you can see that. Now let's see. Now the playback is better. For some people there might be a lag even after doing this. For them, they need to select the clip and select the inspected tab. Under video tab, you need to select retime and scaling. Under that, you need to select the retime process. You need to select optical flow. Under that, you need to select motion estimation. Click on that. Under drop down box, you will get lot of options. I always use enhanced better. If you want, you can use speed wrap also. If you select speed wrap, lot of computing power is needed. So I always select enhanced better. After making these changes, now you will have a smooth speed ramp on your clip. So that's it guys. In this way, you can do the speed ramp in Davinci Resolve 18. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.